Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to big news. I received a lot of queries from all of you that we received a mail from Accenture team that our primer training session is cancelled. So is it by mistake or there is cancelled or not? So in the video we will discuss about everything. All of your queries will be solved in today's video. First of all, apply for all opportunity, like and share the video because we are putting lot of efforts for all of you. And if you are confused about any of the query, third phase, first, second phase, workday, primer, BGV, offer letter, you can watch out this video. Okay, so first of all, what it is mentioned, cancelled, join the Accenture primer learning orientation on 4-8 p.m. LTT primer, Accenture primer learning. Dear learner, you are welcome to join the orientation session. Your presence agenda is this: please join the call at least 5 minutes, and the timing is 10th March 10:30 to 11:30. And here it is mentioned that event is cancelled, join the Accenture Udacity primer. So first of all, one thing that I have to mention, yes, it's cancelled. Okay, like if it's not cancelled, why they will send this type of mail? Still they will like consider the orientation session tomorrow. So basically like you do not have to see this type of you do not have to see this type of error or some small kind of mistake. This is just like a printing mistake, sorry, not a printing, it's a typing mistake. अब मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ मुझे खुद नहीं समझ आ रहा है. It's a typing mistake guys, that cancelled is showing here. So no need to worry about that. Basically there are lot of things that related to this cancellation. Why? So understand, many of the candidates, they are from phase 1, phase 2, still they not receive BGV type of mail, means their document process is not initiated yet, and yet still they receive this type of mail that you are like invited to join the primers orientation session. So due to some type of error or due to some by mistake, we can say that there are lot of things going on. Okay, so no need to worry about that. For sure we will receive the next update on our email ID itself. So no need to worry about that guys. We have to just wait for the next update from Accenture team. You have to just keep in your mind that yes, soon primers training will be begin, and I have to perform very well in overall training. I have to take the incentives as well. Okay, and I have to take the joining as soon as possible in the Accenture company. No need to worry about that. I will come up with some specific video as soon as possible, that I already mentioned in the morning video, that what about the next process of OL and rest of the thing. No need to worry about that. Currently it is cancelled. Now you can do to one thing. If you want to check that it is cancelled or not, tomorrow the link is with you. Okay, the timing is also mentioned in the here itself, so you can try to join the session, but most probably it is cancelled. Okay, it is cancelled and they will share the next update with us. There is no problem at all. No need to worry about this session. They will share the update with us. Okay, I hope you find the video well. Thanks for watching the video.